All right, let's talk about something that's, well, it's everywhere right now. Artificial intelligence. We're going to show you exactly how you can get up to speed, master the essentials, and even get certified by Google, all for free. I mean, you felt it, right? It seems like every single day there's a new headline, a new tool, a new conversation about AI. There's this constant pressure that this is the next massive wave, and if you don't learn it, you're going to be left behind. It can feel like you're trying to catch a train that's already speeding out of the station. But what if I told you there's a perfect way to jump on board? What if you could learn all these incredibly valuable skills and get a legitimate certification from Google, one of the biggest names in the game, without ever opening your wallet? And yeah, I know, it sounds almost too good to be true, but I promise you, it is 100% real. So that's our mission for the next few minutes. No more confusion, no more endless searching. We're going to give you the complete step-by-step roadmap to earning your free Google AI certification. Let's dive in. Okay, so first things first, what are we even talking about here? What's Google actually putting on the table? It's not just one random course. It's a whole collection of learning paths made for all sorts of people. And before we go further, let's quickly define two big terms you'll see a lot. The first one is generative AI. This is the really creative, headline-grabbing stuff. Think of the AI that's writing poems, creating incredible images from just a text prompt, or even writing code. It's the tech that's creating brand new things out of thin air, and it's a huge deal right now. And then there's machine learning. Now, if generative AI is the flashy artist, machine learning is the brainy engine that powers so much of the AI world. It's how computers learn from data without someone having to program every single rule. This is what's behind your Netflix recommendations, your email spam filter. It's absolutely fundamental. So to figure out where you should start, it helps to know that Google kind of splits its courses into two main buckets. On one side, you have the foundational courses. These are perfect if you're a total beginner. No experience needed, you just jump in and learn the big ideas. On the other side are the applied skills courses. These are for when you know the basics and you're ready to get your hands dirty with specific Google tools to build actual stuff. And trust me, the variety here is awesome. You can start with a big picture introduction to generative AI, or go deep on how things like ChatGPT work with large language models. You could focus on something super important like responsible AI, or get creative with image generation. There's even the famous machine learning crash course. There's really something for everyone. Okay, so you're sold. You've seen what's out there. Maybe you've even picked a path you're excited about. Now what? How do you actually get started? Well, it's way easier than you might think. The whole thing really just breaks down into 5 simple steps. Seriously, they've made this process incredibly smooth. First, you just explore the courses on a site like Google AI Essentials. Second, you choose the one that matches your goals. Third, you enroll with your Google account. It's literally one click. Fourth is the fun part. You learn at your own pace with really well-made videos and quizzes. And finally, you pass the assessment and boom, you certify and get that shiny, shareable certificate. It's that simple. All right, let's talk about the payoff. You've done the work, you've passed the test, you have this digital certificate, so what? What does it actually do for you out there in the real world? Well, this is where it gets really interesting. Get a load of this number, 75%. That's huge. Studies show that 3 out of every 4 hiring managers believe that people with certifications are just better prepared for a job. It tells them that you didn't just read an article, you actually put in the work to prove you understand the material. And don't just take my word for it. Listen to what people who actually do the hiring are saying. As one industry recruiter put it, a certificate from a trusted name like Google immediately validates you. It's proof that you've got initiative and you know the fundamentals, all before you even say a word in an interview. When you really break it down, that certificate is like a Swiss Army knife for your career. It's a credible credential you can stick right on your resume. It makes your LinkedIn profile pop. It gives you concrete, smart things to talk about in job interviews. And maybe most importantly, it proves you're someone who is committed to learning, which might just unlock new ways for you to shine in the job you already have. So let's bring it all home. We've seen the incredible courses Google is offering, we've walked through the super simple steps to get certified, and we've talked about why it's a total game changer for your career. The path is laid out for you. And this right here is the main thing I want you to walk away with.
It used to be that to learn this kind of stuff, you needed a fancy degree or thousands of dollars for special training. Not anymore. Today, the only thing you really have to invest is a little bit of your time and your own curiosity. That wall that used to keep people out, it's gone.
So I'll leave you with this final thought. The knowledge is out there. The certification is free. Your AI journey can literally start the second this is over. The only real question left is, what are you going to build?